Today we're making Matthew's birthday cake. A sailboat cake. First we put the flour mix in. Now we eggs in.
And then?
And then we put some oil. What do I say next? Go ahead. We need lots of it, right, Omi?
Mm-hmm.
We have to put lots in it. We're putting in half a cup of oil. Pour it. Now we have 3 eggs. Oh, you can't let I spilled it. I get it. Let us take the cell out. Take the cell out. Beat it for 1 minute slow. Now turn it on. Yeah, but not. How much should you have to turn it on? Is that okay? Is that okay? My cake is going good. Cake is getting nice and slimy. How are we doing? Now move this one. Is that it? Okay. And we beat it for 2 minutes, medium 2 minutes. How are we doing? Now it's done, and we put it into that pan. Stop it. Yeah. My sailboat's going in that pan. The gray pan. Let's take a taste test. Pretty good. Now we pour it all into this pan. Well, it was my turn first because it's my birthday cake. Mm-hmm. So I go first. Mm-hmm. You said that. So I was just joking. I'm so angry at you. It was my birthday, so we're putting the dough in the pan. Now I can do it. I did it. Now we're going to take the cake out and decorate. I'm putting some ice cream in it.
On what?
The cake. On my cake.
And what is it? Oh,
cake.
It looks like it's going to be a sailboat.
I got some on my finger. It's much more easier and tastier. It's called blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Now yellow, white.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll put it in it. Now what comes next?
Whatever you...
Yeah, because it's my cake.
Mm-hmm.
So I can do whatever I want. Right, Omi?
Mm-hmm.
See, you're doing blue, red, blue, red. That's blue, red. Yep, it's pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's one more, right? That's one. That's all. Don't push it so hard. Good. That's all. Then you need yellow. Green. And then you need orange.
Very nice.
You're doing it all wrong now.
Yes.
But I can do it how I
Oh,
want.
it's pretty.
But you did it all.
Now what are you doing?
During this. Or during ocean.
The ocean. And the ocean has what?
Fishies. That's why we're putting these fishies around. And I have some sprinklers left. I just eat this one. Fishy. I'll eat this fishy. I eat the fishies.
Let's take a look at the